Alright, the second part of this video is that we're going to stream to our YouTube channel. The first one we did the other time, we streamed to our Facebook page. Now we're going to stream to our YouTube channel using the same procedure that we used before. So we have a pre-recorded video. The video is playing. Then we want to stream this video to our YouTube channel. You open your web browser, you come to your YouTube channel, you make sure you're logged into your YouTube, you click on www.youtube.com, then you sign into your YouTube channel. After you have signed in, you go to your dashboard. Look at what I'm doing. You go to your dashboard, youtube.com/dashboard. As you can see that, you press enter. So why we are going to this dashboard is that we need our stream URL and stream key to stream to this YouTube channel. So for us to have access to our YouTube channel, we need the stream URL and the stream key of our YouTube channel, just the way we did for our Facebook page. So what we're going to do after we've come to our dashboard, you come to other features. If your dashboard is showing like this, come to other features, then you come to live stream now. Now you are on live stream now. You scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see something like server URL. You see, this is our stream URL. This is what we need to put into our Vmix. Are we together? So you come to our server URL, you click on it, it will highlight it, you right click, then you copy it. Now you come to your Vmix. The way we did, you come to settings. On settings, we already have our Facebook on the first stream. If you're still going to stream to Facebook, we leave it. Then we come to the second page. We click on custom RTMP. You see it, the first one here. That is if you're streaming to Facebook and YouTube and the other something at the same time. So we click on custom. Are we together? So the stream URL we pasted, we copied, we pasted. Then we come back to our web browser. You see our stream key here, it is classified. So we're going to reveal it. Why it is covered is because it's a classified something, privacy. So we're going to review the stream key. When we review, we highlight it, we copy it, then we can hide it back. After we've done that, we come back to our Vmix. On our stream key, we paste that thing we copied. That is our stream key we copied from the YouTube. We paste it back here. After we have done that, we save and close. So like this, we are set to stream to our YouTube channel. So our YouTube channel is there. It is waiting for, you see, live stream offline. It is waiting for a video to come on because we are already on the live stream. So we come to our Vmix now. For us to minimize our data usage, we can just stream to YouTube alone. So you click on the settings beside the stream. It will show you those platforms where you want to stream. On our first, we have Facebook, but we don't want to stream to this Facebook for now. So we click on the second one, that is the YouTube. So we have our stream URL and our stream key already. Then we click on start to, because it's only the number 2 that we want to stream to. So we click on start to. After we have clicked on the start to, you see it is still yellow, it will turn to red. Once it turns to red, that means the network is good. Then we come back to our web browser. You see starting. You see it starting. So before you know, you see live stream has started. So once the live stream starts, you're going to see the video that is coming up. So as far as the network is good, you see our video is there. So that is how you stream to your YouTube channel. So any other channel you want to stream to, just obtain your stream URL and your stream key, and that's all. Once you obtain your stream URL and your stream key, that's all you need. That's all you need. You stream to the channel. So let's stop this streaming now. We come back to our Vmix. We click on stop all or stop to. Whichever one you click on is going to stop the streaming. So stopping streaming. Our stream is going to stop. We leave there. So now our stream will stop immediately. So that is how you stream to the YouTube channel.